Kunal, how are you?
Fine, sir. How about you, sir?
All good. So, tell me something about you in brief, Kunal.
Yeah, sure, sir. So myself, Kunal Prajapat, and currently I am a final year student at Gilandhali Institute of Technical Studies, pursuing my bachelor's in technology in computer science and engineering. And I have done my 10th and 12th from St. Secondary Senior Secondary School. And currently I am working as a Flutter developer intern, creating cross mobile applications for a startup named Last Minute Deal, which is a Pune-based startup. And my role in is majorly focused on the UI UX of the app. And in my previous experience, I have worked only on Flutter, creating cross mobile application for one to two startups. And I have worked as a freelance mobile app developer for two to three clients also. So yeah, I have keen interest in creating cross mobile uh, applications, but I have some little bit of interest in AI ML also. So yeah, pretty much about this. Sir.
Okay, Kunal, you are doing internship from Pune-based company, right?
Yes, sir. It's last minute deals named startup. It is currently being raised by an entrepreneur. The startup is currently in growing stage. So yeah, it is not that much famous right now.
So, you are doing training remotely or you are based at Pune?
No, sir. I am working remotely.
So, on which project or what kind of profile you are working with that organization?
With that organization, sir, I am working as a Flutter developer where I am helping them to create their mobile application from scratch using Flutter.
Are they paying any kind of stipend for that?
Yes, sir. They are for the first month was unpaid, and then they are paying like 5,000, and then it will be increased.
So, the internship is for how many months?
I have requested them for like 3 months, but if I want, then I can also extend the internship for
So, what kind
myself.
of learning? What kind of learning you are receiving out of this internship?
So yes, sir, the learnings are a lot more. What I apart from just creating mobile application, I have also learned that how to integrate application programming interface to my application, where I was able to write a less number of code, and by just integrating API, I learned that how by using less code we can actually get maximum output that we wanted in our application. So yeah, as far as non-tech side, I have also learned that how a business is grown from scratch and how teams are led by the managers.
Apart from this internship, have you done any kind of more internship earlier? Or this is your first internship?
Uh, as far as in internship, it is my first internship, but I have worked as a freelance app developer for one to two clients, where the tech stack was better only.
So you are individually doing the freelancing, or is there any kind of team or friends of yours who are doing it?
Sir, I'm doing it alone, but if I have any some sort of problem in my application, I can ask to my friends, and if there's some major problem, I can actually pay them from my side also.
So you are from computer science or computer science AI?
So I'm from CSE.
What is the difference between CS and AI?
The pretty much sir, the fundamentals are same
Be
like the
louder. Be
subjects.
louder, Kunal, है ना? Be louder.
Sure, sir. So, sir, in CSC and CSE AI, so I think the fundamentals are same, like the data structures that we learn, which are implemented in AI also, and that is more focused on AI and the ML part, where the mathematics part is more, where they focus more on mathematics and probability, which will require them in specialization in AI. Yeah, the fundamentals are same, sir, but they focus on more stats and probability kind of thing and maths kind of thing.
What will be called as the fundamentals of computer science or AI?
Sir, for CSE, for the fundament CSE and CSE, the common fundamentals will be sir, data structures, operating system, which will be required them for their basics, OOPS, PPMS, and all. And for CSE AI, for specifically CSE AI, I think machine learning is the base, and apart after that, the basic principles of AI and were majorly focused on mathematics, statistics, probability, linear algebra, and so on. But in CSE, we focus on computer fundamentals, not that much on mathematics.
What basically a student must have the knowledge if he or she want to become a full stack developer.
For full stack developer, I think there are two paths. Either the candidate must go in the full stack web development part or full stack app development part. For full stack web development, basics are same like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React, and all that. And after that, you just try learn some backend kind of stuff like DBMS and some yes, DBMS, in which the more focus would be on SQL part, and then Express.js and all. But as a mobile application developer, for mobile application, I would say just grab one framework. It can be cross-platform, in which just write code once, and it can be used for Android also and iOS also. And the second part is native based application development, which is in which you go purely in Android or purely in iOS. But it's based upon the interest of the candidate whether he or she wants to go in Android or iOS. For Android, I would suggest to learn Kotlin and build apps using Jetpack Compose, which is created by Google only. And for iOS, I would say just try to learn Swift programming language along with the Mac OS functionality. But in my case, what I'm using is Flutter, which is like a cross-platform tool developed by Google itself only for creating Android as well as iOS app for by using a single code base. So yeah, in Flutter we just more focus on UI UX, and for being a full stack mobile application developer, the it goes same with the backend of the application like the Node.js, Express.js for backends. So yeah, these are the pretty much basics in order to get a full stack internship or job.
Okay, internship is important. Or what kind of basically role of internship for any engineering graduates?
Sir, for engineering graduate, I think internship is not required, but if someone want to start their career in early stage and want to gain some experience, and not by career, by they can actually get some valuable experience by working closely with the engineering managers or the team leaders. So it will be beneficial for them in future. So the chances of their preference to get selected for much higher roles will be increased as they will be having some early experience of.
Okay, Kunal, nice talking to you. Right, having some knowledge, working on a live project in the form of internship also. You are having concepts also. Your concept are also clear that what the meaning of full stack, the AI, and most of the things. So it seems good. You seems a good candidate. So we'll see how when you are sitting for a recruitment process, how you are cracking it and when you are cracking it.
So, tell me, what job profile are you aiming to get from the campus placements?
So yeah, good afternoon, sir. So for myself, I'm looking for a software engineering profile where I will be exploring new areas of software engineering, mostly in AI/ML or and app development part. So yeah, so for software engineering, I'm looking for areas where I can find full potential of CS background. So yeah, I'm looking for this one.
Right. So, tell me, why should any company hire you as a software engineer?
Any company should hire me because I have worked as an intern, which will
You
help
worked
the
as a
company.
what?
I worked as an intern, sir, as a mobile application developer intern.
Mobile application development intern. Okay.
Yes, sir. In a startup which is currently in growing stage, I
Hmm.
have worked from uh, creating that app from scratch. So it will be helpful for the company that will hire me for their future projects. And I also have some great experience with system designs, which helps in order to create applications from scratch. Apart from create, I will help them create in the planning of the application development parts. And so yeah, these are the uh, strong points that I have.
So, Kya, what is your special thing that why should a company hire you?
Yes, sir. So I have a little bit experience with system design where I have before working on any project, we require what will be the objects or real life entities that will be using that software. What will be the real life entities that will be using that software? What will be their relationship with the software components? How will be their interacting with the software? So for designing that part, I will be able to help that company with their doubts.